The process of creating a new energy rate plan is detailed and allows for complete customization to ensure accuracy in your payback reports. Here's a 4-step guide to help you understand. Step 1. Choose an existing rate plan. A. Redirect to rate plan setup. Click on Choose from existing rate plan to be redirected to a setup page. Here, you'll enter the required information, including your country name, utility name, and the applicable time of use, rate plan for that area. B. Country not listed. If your country isn't listed in the options, please contact support at the provided email for assistance. Step 2. Rate plan details. Section A. Name your rate plan. B. Customize energy rates. Scroll down to the weekday and weekend charts. These charts display the hours of the day throughout the year where energy rates vary. Enter values of 1 and 0 to differentiate rates during different times of the day, customizing them to match the rates offered by your local utility. C. Assign rates to time periods. Below the charts, assign specific rates to the 1 and 0 values you set. This allows you to reflect the exact rates provided by utilities. Step 3. Monthly accounting of excess generation, a bill calculation method. In this section, choose how the utility calculates the monthly bill based on excess generation. Select the option that accurately reflects your utility's method, ensuring an accurate rate plan. Step 4. Additional charges. A. Enter fixed charges. Specify any fixed charges that are applied in your area. B. Minimum charges and annual escalation. Enter the minimum charges and annual escalation rates to ensure the rate plan is as realistic and accurate as possible. Once all fields are completed and reviewed, click Submit to finalize and save your new rate plan. By carefully customizing the rate plan details, you ensure that the energy rate plans you use in your payback reports are as accurate and applicable as possible, providing reliable information to your clients.